In this video, I'll show you how you can use the Roblox FPS Unlocker in order to boost FPS when playing Roblox games. Before we get into it, I just want to say if this found this video helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to see more tutorials like this in the future. Now, don't worry, this is completely legal and safe, and anyone get banned or get into any trouble when using this. The PC won't be infected by viruses or anything either. So what this FPS Unlocker is that it unlocks your computer to reach over 60 FPS, because if you didn't know, Roblox only stops your FPS at 60 and caps it there. And if you use this FPS Unlocker, it'll unlock it and you can surpass 60 and get to something like 100 or 200 or 300 or however your computer is capable of. Now enough talking, let's get on with the video. Okay, so the first step is to go to any browser. I'm using Google, and what you want to do is search for Roblox FPS Unlocker. Hit enter, and then you'll see the first link. It's a GitHub link and it says releases Austin with a X there, FPS Unlocker. What you want to do is click on that. Now depending on when you're watching this, there may be different versions. For me, the latest one is Roblox FPS Unlocker version 5.2, which as you can see, it's the latest. And once you're here, what you want to do is scroll down a little bit until you find the Roblox FPS Unlocker zip file. Click on that. Up here you can see if it's downloading. As you can see, it's done. What you want to do is go to your downloads folder, open it up in your downloads folder. You'll see the Roblox FPS Unlocker exe file. Just hold and drag it to your desktop, and as you can see, it's right here. Now to actually use it, double click on it to run it. You'll get a console opening up, and then yeah, it's running. Now you can mess around with the settings. You can go to this show hidden icons over here, and then what you want to do is right click here, and then you'll see your settings. So to make sure this is working, make sure there's a tick on unlock Roblox player, and to FPS cap, make sure it's at none so you can get as much FPS as possible. Now let's go to a game and test this out. Alright, as you can see, I'm getting around 90 to 100 FPS on this game. And yeah, to see this stats, which one is hold Shift F5 on your keyboard, and then you should see your FPS over here. Alright guys, if you found this Roblox video useful, please leave a like, subscribe for more, and comment down below any troubles you have or any videos you want me to do in the future. Other than that, I'll catch you in the next video.